Hello, welcome to Teacher Bill's quick cooking class. Actually, we're not really going to cook anything. We're going to talk about snack, a snack, a nice little healthy snack. Some of you like these. They're called celery. Yeah, celery. All right. Some of you like this stuff, carrots. But my carrot's been chopped up already. But what to do with it? Well, I don't know. I get kind of bored after. I want to try something different. So I will try something like, say, cream cheese, which I don't know if you can read this cream cheese here. What it says in Chinese, but oh well, this is the English lesson. And it's a snack, okay? You can fill up this little groove right here in the middle with the cream cheese, but I don't have cream cheese with me. I have peanut butter, and this is the brand I'm using today. Peanut butter, and you don't really need much. You need, of course, the celery or the carrot. You need the peanut butter. You need a knife. Knife. And it's just real simple. You take the knife, put it into the peanut butter, not too much, and you kind of squeeze it into the groove. Squeeze it into the groove. And don't worry about getting some on your hand. See, fit it into the groove. Oh no, I got too much. There's no such thing as too much. All right, there we go. One. I got another one right here. This one's kind of fat. It's at the end piece. All right, this is one celery stalk cut into 3 pieces, and then throw away the end that doesn't really don't want to eat. All right, now I got myself a quick and healthy snack. But what if I want to add something to it? Well, there's all sorts of stuff you can add to it. M&M's, jelly beans, even some dried fruit like raisins. All right, raisins, mangoes, dried bananas, or you can get a little bit more playful and add candy like candy worms, sour candy, you know, more sour candy, little hearts, maybe even a chocolate raisin. Now, the funny thing is we put chocolate raisins in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is actually called ant log. Peanut butter, celery, and the chocolate raisin, or choose chocolate. It's called an ant log. You can also use cream cheese and still do the same thing, and it's really good actually. Yummy, very good, and it's healthy. Well, even dark chocolate is healthy. But what about the carrot stick? Well, you can cut a groove into it. Now you get this whole flat piece. Peanut butter. You can also carve into it. All right. And a quick healthy snack. Or you can make a meal out of it. Or if nobody else is eating after you, yummy. And it's very easy to clean up. My. Tissue. No. All done. Put the lid on. Put it away. And go, Mom, it's clean. And you're all done. Now you have a quick, healthy snack you can make. You can have without Mom. You can do it for your kids. Like I said, this is called an ant log. All right. You can use cream cheese or peanut butter. Peanut butter is easier to find. I hope you give it a try. Maybe even put some worms on there. Worms. Oh no! My ant log's been contaminated with a worm. What am I gonna do? Don't worry, I'll eat it. And it's a sour worm, which I like. So, thank you for joining me in Bill's Quick Kitchen. Hopefully it's very short and you like it.